How many times has a user struggled to explain over the phone exactly what they were doing when their computer crashed? Well, I'm Bill Detweiler, and during this episode of TR Dojo, I'll show you how the Windows 7 Problem Steps Recorder can show you exactly what was happening when the problem occurred. Although tools like Windows Remote Assistance, LogMeIn, Crossloop, and VNC are probably the easiest ways to see exactly what happened with a remote system, there are times when connecting directly to a machine just isn't possible or practical. Now, in these situations, the end user is often left trying to explain the events that led up to their problem over the phone. And depending on how tech savvy they are, these conversations can be extremely frustrating for both the user and IT. Well, this is where Windows 7 Problem Steps Recorder can help. It essentially records each and every step the user takes and documents the entire operation in both screen captures and step-by-step details. It saves the recorded information as HTML and then packages it up in a zip file. Once the user sends you the file, you can see exactly what they were doing when the problem occurred. Now, the easiest way to launch the Problem Steps Recorder is to just have the user type PSR in the Start menu's search box and press Enter. Once the tool's control bar appears, the user can begin recording by just clicking the Start Record button. The words Recording Now will flash across the title bar, and the tool's taskbar icon will display a flashing red dot. Now, at this point, the user can begin working through the steps that led up to the problem they're experiencing. In this example, I'm opening the control panel and then launching the Power Options tool. Now, if we pause for a moment and look back at the Problem Steps Recorder control bar, we can see that the Start Record button has been replaced by the Pause Record button, the Stop Record and Add Comment buttons are now active, and a time counter has been displayed. Clicking the pause or stop buttons will do just that, and clicking the Add Comment button lets the user highlight a particular area of the screen and annotate it with a comment. For example, here I'm asking if the Power Save plan is better for use on a laptop or not. Once the user is finished recording, they can simply click the Stop Record button. The tool will present them the Save As dialog box, and after entering an appropriate file name, they can click Save to generate the zip file, which they will then send to you. When you open the zip file, you'll see the HTML file that contains their actions. Just double-click the file and your browser will display the screenshots along with the step-by-step account of the user's actions. Now, not only is the Windows 7 Problem Steps Recorder a great troubleshooting tool, but as several Tech Republic members pointed out, you can also use it to create how-to material, which you can then distribute to your end users. Be sure to check out Greg Schultz's post on the Windows 7 Problem Steps Recorder and the attached discussion thread. I'll link to them in the TR Dojo blog. And as always, for more teachings on your path to becoming an IT ninja, visit trdojo.techrepublic.com. Sign up for our newsletter or follow me on Twitter. Thanks for visiting the TR Dojo. How many times has a what happened there? Okay.